How to log in or sign in to Axis Bank credit card account online. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation we'll be discussing about logging into your credit card of Axis Bank. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open any of the web browser and type in axisbank.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then this will take you to the official website of Axis. Locate the login option and then click on personal or new for business, whatever you would like to log in with. I'll go for the personal account, so click on login option. Then you will be directed to the login portal where you have to first enter the correct form of your login ID or the customer ID in the first field, followed by the correct form of your password. And in the case if you have forgotten your customer ID or your password, simply go ahead and click on the forgot customer ID and forgot password link in order to successfully retrieve or reset your credentials. And you can also choose where you would like to log in directly to. So as we want to access our credit cards, we'll choose credit card option. And alternatively, you can also log in with your debit card number. On the first field, enter your debit card number and then your ATM PIN. Then select where you would like to directly log in into. Then click on Get OTP and enter your OTP, and you will be able to successfully log into your Axis Bank, from where you can access your credit card section and log into your credit card. So this was all about it. This is how you can log into your Axis Bank credit card. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.